Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As promised, I am doing a how I style my new short hair for you. You guys asked on Instagram how I've been styling my hair lately, and it's definitely different to what I usually do. You guys are used to long hair with extensions and waves and curls. I hardly ever wear my hair straight on the straight side. It's definitely not pin straight. I like to do a little flip at the bottom. It is the fastest, easiest hairstyle ever. If I wasn't talking in this video, I can do it from start to finish in like 5 minutes. So if you're interested on a quick, easy, very polished hairstyle that looks good behind your ears and in front, I love this hairstyle, you guys, then just keep on watching. This is my hair slept on, but I did blow dry it, so I took a shower last night, did all my stuff, and then I blow dried it and I slept on it. And what's so great about this haircut is like I'm okay with this. Like I don't feel like I have to style it, but obviously I have been styling it a little bit more, you know, cute. I have a lot of hair. Oh my gosh. Every hairstylist is like, you have a lot more than it looks. So I guess I have a finer, no, she said I had a coarse strand, but like a lot of it as well. That's why I have a lot of frizzies. So I'm gonna take this hair elastic and section my hair off into 2 sections. So right above the ear is good. All right, and you guys can kind of see the back here. It's like the perfect setup because I don't have to keep turning around. I'm just gonna take out these little pieces here. To do this hairstyle, you can use a straightener if you have, because obviously a straightener can give a curl, but it can also straighten. But I've been doing it with my curling iron. This is the T3 1.25 inch. It's amazing. I've literally gotten so many hairstyles out of this thing, so it's definitely worth the investment. I highly recommend blow drying your hair for this hairstyle just because it saves the amount of heat you're going to be putting on your hair with this kind of intense heat, because you already have like smooth hair up here. I don't have to bring the heat all the way up. I just really need it at the bottom, where if you let your hair air dry and it's a little bit more of a curl or frizzy, you're going to have to bring that heat all the way through. Obviously you do what you got to do, but that's how I kind of reduce the amount of heat, because this is a lot more intense than blow drying your hair. I'm just going to go from halfway, start curling the bottoms, and really flip under the very ends, right under like that. It's very subtle, but it's a look. It's not going to be everyone's cup of tea, but I've been loving it lately. So halfway, start curling, and flip right under. You definitely want to go all under because it just keeps the look all unison, because you want it all to flip under. You can do a couple pieces the other way if you want it to look more like flippy and going any direction, but personally I like it all going the same way. So all going under. If I wasn't talking or demonstrating how to do this hairstyle, it honestly takes me like 5 minutes to do it. So that's what I love about it. It looks like I spent a lot more time because it looks like it was like specifically styled. I'm gonna do that front piece one more time. So you don't want to spend too much heat on the midsection, just the ends, or else it's gonna like almost flip again, like it's gonna become a curl. Cute, right? So obviously it's gonna bring up the length ever so slightly because we've flipped the ends under. That's without it done, and that's it done, but it also creates a little bit more volume, as you can tell. We're gonna do the exact same on this side. So I have 2 products that I use in my hair. I never know if I'm supposed to use this before styling my hair or afterwards, so I'm gonna do both. So this is the Way Memory Mist. Not too sure if it works, but it does keep the flip in my hair, so maybe it does, but I'm gonna spray it on top of that. It doesn't make your hair like stiff like hairspray would. It just apparently helps your hair remember the hairstyle that it was put into. I don't know if it's just a gimmick, but I do use it. It smells really nice, and my hair does last like this until I wash it next. So I guess it works, because I find the healthier your hair, the harder the hairstyle to last. So I feel like this just helps prolong it a little bit longer. Moving on to the top section, I'm now gonna put it into 2 sections again. So down that middle part, and then put this side away. Now to just change it up, I'm gonna spray with the Memory Mist first, and then we'll style it. Are you kidding me? The battery sign just went on. Does anybody else have the Canon G7X where it shows like 2 bars in it, so half battery, and then all of a sudden it just goes red blinking? That's annoying. Okay, we're just gonna go until it dies and then I'll have to go charge it. But guys, the same thing. It's the easiest hairstyle ever. Halfway, start twisting, curl under, hold. Boom, baby. Keep doing until all hair is done. Guys, I have never looked so much more like a mom in my entire life, but I am here for this hairstyle. I love what it looks like whenever you put it behind your ears. Like it's really cute. It's definitely a look. I like it, and I feel like my hair looks so thick and healthy. I just like to kind of play around with like the front part section there. Take a bit of hairspray, this is volumizing hairspray, spray underneath and let the hair drop. So easy, and it's just a little bit more refined, you know what I mean? Again, it's not gonna be everyone's cup of tea. I definitely like to put a wave in it sometimes, but if I just need something that's polished, super quick and easy, this is my go-to lately. I've been loving it, and you guys have been too. So I almost like it a little bit more behind my ear because I like that little tuck and then the flip. I like it. I think it's gonna die, but I'm just gonna do the other side until it does, but we're getting a little bit more out of this battery than I thought I would. The camera died, but I'm back. I only had like 2 more pieces to curl anyways. I have sprayed all my hair, and you can just tell. It's a subtle difference, but like I mentioned before, it's just a little bit more polished, a little bit more put together. Definitely on the mom vibes, but I'm feeling it. I feel like it's a very trendy hairstyle at the moment to have a little bit more sleek, and then the little flipped out edges. You could definitely do it the other way as well too. I feel like that could look cute as well, but I love it. I feel like it makes my hair look super thick, super healthy, and I just like to play around with my bangs, like, well, my front pieces, I guess they're not really bangs, so that they kind of go in like that, and then the bottoms a little bit more lifted. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I mentioned, it is the quickest hairstyle I have ever done. I'm gonna show you some other styles as well for this hair length because it is a little bit shorter, so I feel like sometimes we don't know what to do with this hair length. This is one of them. This is a more sleek, polished one, and then I'm gonna show you some fun other hairstyles in the future. Let me know which ones you would love to see either up or down, and I will create that for you. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.